So I'm back here in the SolidWorks section, and it looks like it would fit about 6 of these. So then I go to linear sketch patterns, and I'm gonna about the x-axis, but I'm preferring to select this line to let it know that it goes up and down. Here is the axis I want it to follow. Entities to pattern. I'm going to select this rectangle right here. This button right here will actually switch the direction of the of which way it patterns. If I go over here and look at it, it looks about 2.5 times the groove width. So I'm going to say to put it at about 20. See what that looks like. That looks about right. And how many am I going to want? I'm going to want 6 of those. So you can either do this, or you can actually just type in 6. Now I push check, and now I have those lines as I wanted. So now I'm actually going to go in here. I'm not going to click out of the sketch over here with this exit sketch button. I'm actually just going to stay in the sketch and go into the features point of it. Just kidding. I am going to exit out of this sketch. That way it'll allow me to choose the wrap feature. I'm going to go with the deboss, because that would cut into the shape as opposed to the emboss, which would push out of the shape. I prefer the spline surface just because it fits the shape of this model. It'll wrap around more ideally. Let's see what we got here. So now I have to select over here the face that I want to wrap against. So I want to wrap against this face, middle click and drag will let you rotate your model. Oops. Right here. There we go. And you get a little over here. You can get a full preview or low accuracy preview. I'm using the low accuracy because it allows my computer to still work faster. If you notice here, you'll actually see that the lines won't go all the way to the end, which is what I'm looking for. So that looks about right. So Control 7 brings it back to the isometric view, and the cut depth is going to be, let's call it 7.5, and then I push the check mark here, and there we go. We have this first stone. So if I Control 7 there, and then Control 1 to look at the front view, it should look at least similar to this first stone.